Hey everyone, good evening. This is Rimi here again. Another weekend is going to pass. I'm so much upset about it. However, there are different things, different stories to tell. Um, I'm going to bring a new surprise to all of you, the viewers who are watching my videos, and that will be on the next weekend. So, let's begin with this video. In today's video, I will talk about something regarding my memories, which I had before, and I can actually reflect those things right now. Um, those things which I had before, the memories and those, um, like all those things, whatever, when I retrospect those things right now, I feel so much mesmerized with the flavor of different things and all. Especially when I think about those days when I used to be very much filled with joy and excitement of going out, like for trekking and for fishing, bird watching. Those things I really want to remember every time. And that was like when I was in college. I always used to have some sort of excuse to get out of the classes and just join with my friends and go to different places. Especially, I used to like to visit different movie theaters because movies are the way of passing time, and also you can talk about different types of topics, different types of other things like acting and how the movie is being properly pictured, and those things actually reflect how you are seeing yourself and other people, how you are forming your views and all. So we used to discuss a lot of topics regarding movies and how people are doing in the movies, and the stories of the movies were really, you can say, it used to give me goosebumps. Some of the movies had so different types of stories, and they used to narrate it in such a manner that when I entered in the hall, most of the times what used to happen that um, the kind of music, the kind of sound which used to come out of the hall, it was like something, a war is going on inside it. It's like such a huge noise, and I couldn't like stop myself from being again enthralled by the sound. So this is what used to happen when I used to enter the movie theater, and I used to like see so many faces over there, and the light was there was no light. Obviously, the movie theater would be completely dark, and you will see different things, even though that there is no light over there. Like there will be some familiar faces, obviously. Sometimes when friends go with their mutual friends, you will start talking to them, you will start get to know about them, so you will have a lot of fun out of it, and you will understand that what are their views actually about some actors, about some movies, and how they see things through their own way. So those things actually very interesting. It excites me so much when I think about those days, and especially when we planned about trekking and going on different long drives and vacation. All of a sudden, we had no plans at all. At the weekend, we started planning about going somewhere without having proper supplies, like you can say that we didn't have proper bedding, proper like the things which we need in order to go somewhere. We didn't have our own clothes and we didn't have all those other things which like we didn't have the map of the place. Then we didn't know that where exactly we are heading to. So we were like confused, and friends had lots of plans in their head, like I will be heading to this place and you will be heading to that place, then we will be exploring that area. Like, for an example, I will tell you about one of my trips. It happened in I can say about my trip in there is a place called Digha in West Bengal, and that is a place which is near the coastal areas. It's a beach, and the place has so much of fascination attached to it that every weekend, I have seen them mostly every weekend, people from Bengal will obviously visit that place. There are certain temples, and there are bamboo forest also. Like, you can see so many bamboo trees are there, and it's like it's a kind of dense forest. When the event which I am going to tell you about is like filled with so much of thrilling and suspense type of experience. It's like a complete suspense movie. The thing which happened was that it was, I think, in the year 2011, we went on a long vacation, you can say, because after that, during that time, we had our graduation results coming out, so we had nothing to do apart from like thinking of going on vacation and doing shopping and all, and going to watch a movie. I thought that it would be better to go on a vacation rather than going for shopping and watching movie. So we planned out going to Digha, and the most important aspect of this thing is that one of my friends were having a relationship with their partner, and at that point of time they were like on the verge of exploring new things, like to go to new places, to date, and all those things they wanted to do. So they wanted one excuse of getting out of their hometown and to explore the new place. So that's the thing. Mostly that couple chalked out the plan that where we would be heading to. First we headed to the Digha railway station. There is a railway station over there, and we went there. We started looking for different places, like to stay there, the lodge and all, because we had no planning, nothing else. We didn't even get our clothes also. We were like, it's a kind of 5 hours journey, so we didn't take so many things with us. So we just went there, and we were like wearing the same clothes, and the next day also we were wearing the same clothes. So it's kind of we wanted to explore the place. That's what we had, the kind of idea, and that's it. So what happened on the day when we arrived over there? There were certain people over there. The moment you will, get out of the train, and you will be like walking on the platform of the station. Suddenly, you will see those people will come. It's like transporters. They will transport you from the station to the hotel or lodge where you are trying to like go, but we had no idea of like, we didn't have any pre-booking of hotel or lodge, so we didn't have any idea where we are going to. So we were thinking, like, at that time there was no internet connection also at that time, so it was difficult for us to find out a good place to stay. So that particular transporter was giving us ideas of staying in a good hotel nearby, and it is like very affordable for us because we were looking for something cheap, and we were not working also at that time. So we were thinking like, and we just got some money from our pocket money. We used to save those pocket money, and we used to like think that we will be exploring somewhere, and this is the thing, the thrill which goes on. So that person gave us the idea of going to a lodge, and we went there without knowing anything properly. And that lodge was like, they didn't say anything about the charges and all, but we wanted to know that what will be the charges and everything. But they were saying that we will be like adjusting all the bill at the end of the stay. When you will be leaving the resort or the hotel, they will be like adjusting with all those things. So this is what we had an idea that it's fine, we will not be charged that much because we are college students, how much they will be charging us. So we were having so much of fun, we were going here and there, and especially we explored the beach over there. So many couples were there and so much of fun. So the best part of this particular trip was that we had so many out of the box experience, and we wanted to know more about this. I will be telling you the second part of this video next weekend. Till then, have a good night.